Welcome again to Tips and Tricks, May 2021. In this month's Tips and Tricks, we will cover 3 ways to find and link documents, images, and other kinds of files to a DocFlow. The first method is to upload from a file. The second method, attach a marked image. And lastly, attaching images, video, and audio from mobile devices. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to be in an accounts payable PO 3-way match DocFlow. Here we have the invoice that started the process of this DocFlow. We have 4 attachments. So when we click the multi-view, we see we have a total of 5 separate documents. If we have a document or image in our file that we wish to upload, we can use the plus sign to select the image. Here we have a picture of the mixer. We can now attach it. Now we have a total of 5 documents and 1 image in this DocFlow. Here we've searched and found a document that is relevant, and we'd like to add it to that DocFlow. In this case, it's an acknowledgement. We can check the box below the document, and it will show up in marked images. Back in our DocFlow, in the marked images icon, we can see that that document is available. We can select that document and add it quickly to the DocFlow. We've now increased to 7 different documents in our DocFlow. Next, we can use our phone and hang the plus sign. We can capture a photograph of our desired product or subject. You can see that there is our picture. Going farther, we can hit the plus sign again, and we can take a video with audio of our subject. This is the video with audio of our subject. It too is uploading. It is there. I can download it. This is the video with audio of our subject. If we go to multi-view now, we can see that there are 8 documents in multi-view. The MP4 currently is not supported in multi-view, so it doesn't display. But it is an attached image that is accessible from the DocFlow. There we have 3 different methods to upload images to a DocFlow. Let's discuss the benefits of adding additional information to your DocFlow. You can add additional relevant information to your DocFlow packet. You can increase the compliance of your DocFlow. You can build a more complete history of the transaction. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions on future tips and tricks, please email them to dan@synergetic-data.com. On behalf of Unform and Tips and Tricks, thank you very much. See you next month.